Hey guys, welcome back to Toyo's channel. I have just got the Falcon and the Winter Soldier Captain America, so essentially Falcon, but I evolved to Cap, so here we go. And let me get back and unbox for you guys. Alright, welcome back to Toyo's channel everyone. Now I'm back with the new Captain America Falcon the Captain America Falcon, Sam the Captain. I'm still not used to calling Sam the Captain yet. It's just been Steve Rogers for so many years, ever since the first movie for me. So Sam is the new Captain America now, of course, as most of you would have seen the final episode. So a few hours ago, Hot Toys dropped the news that they'll be releasing the Falcon. They'll be releasing the new Captain America figure as well as the Cosbaby version, of course. As always, the Cosbaby figure will be dropping in physical form first. So I went to the shop today and picked up this Captain America. Finally, I said it, Captain America. Right, so this figure looks really good, and this is the best thing to date yet because none of the other companies have released in physical forms of the Captain America figure. For example, Marvel Legends, SH Figure Arts, all of those you gotta wait a bit, and some longer, some not as long, and of course Hot Toys being Hot Toys, they'll be the longest, around 2 years I'd say for this one. Anyhow, so today's video I'm going to unbox this for you guys, and please kindly like the like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more goodness and greatness, and let's get into it. So as you guys would have seen in my previous video of the Falcon unboxing, right there at the back on the left. So essentially Hot Toys were giving out the free merch. For example, the cardboard cutout of Falcon and the Winter Soldier here. And I've shown you guys this previously, and today they have given out more stuff, i.e. the Wanda and Vision from WandaVision cardboard cutout. And it looks really good because of the color, I guess, and it's relatively new to me because last time I was only given the Falcon and the Winter Soldier one, and they were also giving out these free stickers. So we have the Mandalorian Cosbaby with Baby Yoda and the Mandalorian himself. Back, more promotion. This one I've gone through with you guys in the previous video, not gonna go through that again. And the WandaVision one is new, and I like how it's styled, referring back to the 70s era in the show. Well, for that specific episode, for that era anyways. So let's move these out of the way. Today's focus is on the new Cap. The box looks really good, so it's a little bit different. Let me get the previous one out for you guys. That's the Captain America words on the right hand side, and the kind of insignia has been turned into the cap shield, as you can see here. So that's pretty cool. On the side, ooh, okay, that's nice. Right, so on the side it looks pretty cool. Sam Wilson, aka Captain America, so now officially taken Steve's place. And just to show you guys the Falcon one here on the left. So no more Falcon for you guys, so we'll just have to wait for that young guy to take up his mantle as the Falcon. The other side we have the usual cautions and warnings, nothing too exciting here. And on the other side, from Falcon on the left to Captain America on the right, and at the bottom left you can see the subtle changes as well, from Falcon's insignia to Cap's shield. So without further ado, I guess we'll get to the opening. let's talk about the base first. It looks absolutely terrific, as you can see, the cap shield. So for the figure itself, it looks absolutely amazing. Just let me stick this on first for you guys. This figure is really nice. I love the coloring. So first of all, let's go through the head. I love the new visor. As you can see, there is the white bits on the top end, as well as covering the cheeks. So it's pretty cool. And also we have the usual red visor in front. And I'll show you guys a quick comparison between the Falcon and this new cap later on. So on the body, you can see the new suit as per the finale episode, and it looks terrific. I really love the white being a more prominent part to the suit, because essentially with the old cap, there's less white and more blue. So that's kind of refreshing change. And it's nice to see that they've kept some of the elements from the old suit. For example, the waist area, you can still see the red and the white stripes. And also for the chest area, I really love the star as well as the two stripes on each side. That's kind of reminiscent of the previous suits from the Winter Soldier movie. On the shoulders, you have the star as well, so that's pretty cool. Now that is like an armored white piece at the top, and also there are the respective stripes that comes thereafter. You can see the inner side of the glove, and it looks pretty cool because you have this kind of red that really sets it apart from a really conventional glove. So that's pretty cool, and you get all these pretty detailed engravings, as you can see on the different bands. In terms of his pants, it looks pretty cool as well. You get these smaller grey bits, as well as the band here on near the pelvic area. And for the boots, I love how they've synced the design with the glove. So it's essentially some red areas complemented by a more prominent grey silverish color. So you can see towards the back as well, there are the details. The inner part of the wings is pretty cool. It's like a little blue curtain, right? If you see what I mean. And on the frame of the wing, it looks pretty cool as well. You get some red bits, as I've mentioned before, with the glove and boots. That's pretty cool. And I believe with the wings, the design has been changed quite a bit as well. I'll show you guys later to compare with the normal Falcon figure. I love what I'm seeing at the front so far. It's a pretty cool figure. So let's move to the back. So what's this? Oh man, what is this? Really weird. The head extends of what we see from the front with the white and the visor. It goes all the way around. That's pretty cool. And if we ignore this piece of weird cardboard that's stuck permanently, the hole is gigantic for this Cosbaby. Like, why? It's so apparent. Like, although I'm not going to look at it from the back, but it's really ugly. If we move on to the wings, again, similar to the inner layer, you have these blue curtainy bits, which is nice. And also now that the red extends to the bottom of the wings at the back, and it's pretty cool. You can have a glimpse of the inner side of the shield, so they haven't gone cheap and just ignore those details. So it's pretty cool of Hot Toys. And also with the hands and the band, they've also sculpted these parts as well, despite not being able to see these details at the front. And on the bottom of the boots, you have the usual Hot Toys, copyright, Marvel, blah blah blah. So let's test out the wobbleness as well. Okay, so it's not too wobbly. not as wobbly as the Falcon figure from before. It looks pretty good. It's great on the front. On the back, minor flaws with the weird cardboard being stuck there, and also this weird gigantic hole at the back of the head. It's not Hot Toys, what are you doing? It just doesn't look good. So let me compare with the Falcon figure. As I've said before, the Falcon's head is so wobbly, it's crazy, and with this new Falcon, new Captain America, I need to get used to it. The head is not as wobbly, probably number one because of the hand, and secondly, I think the spring is just more stiff on this one. For both figures, the details are great. To my surprise, they've actually upped their game a bit. So with the previous Sam's figure, as you can see, the details are mostly printed on, and with the new Cap figure, you can see everything is sculpted. So it's pretty cool. They have really added even more details onto their figures. Okay guys, so what do you think of this figure? Comment down below and let me know. As always, please kindly like the like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more goodness and greatness, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care and see ya!